We are here in this region, secular region and Sfântul Gheorghe, Sepsiszent György, at a place we have this hub started in 2006 and very brave and inspirational and very well prepared professional people and with a lot of dreams. They started a lot of projects regarding biomassa, regarding circular economy, regarding how we can use our resources and to recycle for a better future. It's a real proof of collaboration, of partnership between body from the government, Department for Sustainable Development. We have a vision, we have action plans, we have strategy for circular economy and an action plan, and we have this wonderful community of those people who are engaged to have a better future, and they have a concept, they have different projects in which we can be partners and we will be partners.
Cum considerați, care este motivația principală de a ne implica în Hub-ul Național de Bioeconomie?
Motivația e dată de faptul că orice schimbare în domeniul utilizării resurselor ține de resursa umană și atunci, practic, cei care trebuie schimbați sunt oamenii, respectiv atitudinile lor. Poți să ai orice fel de tehnologie dacă oamenii nu schimbă atitudinea față de resursele pe care le utilizăm sau nu într-un fel sau altul.
Are you ready?